Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Chiv Envisions. I am creating video tutorials about 3D modeling and real-time rendering. So if you're interested about this topic, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so for this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-apply ng materials gamit ang D5 Render. By the way, if you haven't yet installed D5 Render, there is a link in the description below so that you can install D5 Render for free. In the previous video, doon ko pinakita kung paano mag-import ng model dito sa D5 Render from SketchUp at paano ang basic commands dito sa D5 Render. So kung hindi ka pa nakakapunta doon, there's also a link in the description para malaman mo kung paano ko in-import ang SketchUp file na to dito sa D5 Render. Now, if tapos ka na dyan, now let us go to applying materials here in D5 Render. So first of all, just make sure, if in your SketchUp file, make sure na naka-assign na yung materials mo. For example, itong wall mo, dapat same siya na material lahat. Itong floor mo, same material. Itong roof mo naman, same material, and so on and so forth. So that if you edit here in D5 Render, kung ano yung materials na nakaset up dun sa SketchUp, yun din yung mapapalitan dito sa D5 Render. Right? So, unahin natin ngayon is ang roof. Right? So, dito sa left side, upper left side, meron tayong asset. Just click asset and then here we have here the materials. The material under this one, there are lots of materials, thousands of materials. Pwede natin gamitin. So, let's go now to roof. Ito. This is an example of the roof. Now, after that one, you need to click something. So, for example, if you click this one, it will automatically load. So, we need to say na-download mo na siya dito sa yung material library. Next, for this one, I will choose metal wall panel. So, click this one, and then apply this to the surface kung saan mo siya gustong magkaroon ng ganitong material. So, click mo lang yan, and nakikita natin na the material here is applied to this area. Now, in the right side, we have here the options. You can go to stretch. So, para matansya mo kung ano yung gusto mo na setup. So, for example, is ito. Ito yung siguro mga ganyan. Right? So, here we also have the roughness, the metallic. You can adjust that one. Or you just have this one here. Okay, so, ikaw na yung bahala. So, it depends on your setup. Now, let's try on the another part. For example, here, this is the gutter. So, let's go to metal since that is a metal material. So, let's go to metal. Then, you can also choose what material you want here. So, for example, let's go with black matte metal. Let's click that one. And then, go to this surface here. And then, click. So, as you can see, yung black matte metal is na-apply natin sa surface na to. If you want to change, no worries because you can just change automatically. Example, let's try aluminum alloy. And then, let's click. Then, you can see that automatically, napapalitan po yung materials natin. Right, so, we can apply this to also the other part. Okay, say here, let's have black iron. Let's apply this in the window. Right, so we can see here, yun. Next is we can also have the glass. Have here the glass. Then just choose, let's say normal glass. Click natin yan, tapos click natin yung surface na papalitan. Then automatically, all the areas na meron glass na may same material ng window dito ay mapapalitan. So yun, nagkaroon na siya ng glass material. For example naman is, yung material na galing sa SketchUp, you are already contented with it. For example, is this one. But you can also enhance it here in D5 Render. So you just need to click that one. And then on the right side, you can adjust the roughness. Say for example, let's have this one here. Let's have a gloss effect. Right? That one. Okay, and also there are lots of effect about here. Right? So now you can have also other materials here in the exterior part. So for example, this one. This is the ground. Let's go back to your asset and let's go to outdoor ground. Or let's say natural raw material. Okay, let's just find, for example, is this woodland. I would like to use this one. Click and then apply. Right? Now you can also go to stretch to adjust this one. Okay. So, ganyan na po kadali ang pag-apply ng materials dito sa D5 Render. You can explore it by adjusting the material setting here on the right side to make it look more realistic. So, if you want to learn more about rendering, especially in D5 rendering and 3D modeling using SketchUp, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you on my next video. Thank you and God bless.